Hello everyone, I'm Danny Harden and I'll be an instructor for CS100 this term. So I want to tell you something about the course. The first thing that you may notice is the book. The book, and it's right here, is called Python for Biologists. Well, if you're not a biologist, then don't be concerned. As it turns out, this class is normally made up of 2/3 biology majors. So the course has been completely restructured from what it normally has been for really the past 20 years. So it's a brand new course this term. We will not be using Visual Basic. But don't confuse this Python class with the CS104 class. The CS104 class, Introduction to Python, that's a much more rigorous treatment of the Python language. So in CS100, the objective is to just give you a little bit of experience with a programming language. So we'll be using a very small portion of the programming language to illustrate programming concepts. But if you want a really rigorous treatment of Python, if that's what you want to get into, then drop this course and go take 104, and it still counts for you biology majors. The 104 does as well. So anyway, the textbook is Python for biologists, but if you're not a biology major, don't be concerned. The textbook has a lot of examples that are biology related. They're focused on various biology problems, but I'm going to introduce other problems as well. So if you're a chemistry major, physics, engineering, or whatever it might be, then there will be an assortment of problems that I'll introduce this term in the course. Now, I'm generally going to follow the book, so from beginning to end, but I'm going to add in additional features or additional things. And the main one is going to be turtle graphics. So the Python language contains a graphics feature. So it lets us draw things on a canvas, and it lets us do animations. So it'll be fun to incorporate some of those into the course as well. So we'll be doing that. Now, the modules that are assigned, they will have a portion of the book to read normally, or they'll reference the sections in the book, and there will be some problems that you need to follow along with, and then usually there will be a short quiz afterwards. So that's how these modules will be structured. So if you'll just read the book and look at the videos and do the quiz, then everything should be fine. Now, the exams, the quizzes, of course, will be online. They'll be short quizzes, and almost after every module, they'll have a quiz, but not every time. But the exams during the term, as well as the final exam, are going to be online Canvas quiz-type exams. You'll have several programming assignments through the term, somewhere between 5 and 7. We'll see how that goes. As far as contact is concerned, communications, if you need to get in touch with me, the best way to do that is to send me email. Now, of course, I'm working from home, and I do check email frequently, and I check it 7 days a week, so you can email me pretty much anytime you want. You're more likely to get a response in, say, the 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. time frame. I'm usually doing something in the afternoons where I'm not online, but let's try doing that to begin with. If you need to contact me directly with video, we can do that. The Google Meeting is a nice feature now that's incorporated with Gmail, so that would work well. And we could even chat if you just want to do chats. But let's try with the email, and we will go from there. If I need to set up some specific time for office hours, then I'll be happy to do that. But beware that I'm here to help you, and if you run into any trouble, please feel free to contact me. That's part of the course. It's what I get paid to help you do, and I get paid to help you, and I enjoy doing that. So I'll be happy to help you guys out. The last thing is if you have any extenuating circumstances, in your situation, do you have any connectivity problems? Do you have any computer issues you need to let me know about? Things like that I know are likely to show up. One thing I have here at home in my location is I seem to have an internet that's not very reliable sometimes, and it'll drop out, especially when I'm trying to do a Zoom meeting or some video conference like that. Anyway, I think that's about everything. See the syllabus for all the details and look at each module as they come out. I will send you an email to let you know when they're going to be out, but generally, they're going to be posted at least probably a week in advance. So, in fact, the modules for the first 2 weeks are probably going to be already out there, and you can begin anytime you like. Of course, it's going to be a disadvantage. We're not in the classroom, so we don't have that interaction. But I would be doing the exact same examples either on the whiteboard, or if we're in the classroom with the computers, 327, then I'd be typing these examples in at the workstation in front, and you'd be following along. So you will see the very same examples that I would normally do if we had in-person classes. But you have control. You look at the videos, you can back up, you can fast forward, so you're in control as to how you proceed through the videos. Well, I think that's a pretty good summary that takes care of things. Please contact me if you've got any questions, and otherwise, I just hope you really enjoy the course. I think we'll have some fun with it.